सो हर एक सिविलाइजेशन क्लेम करती है कि हमारे पास यूनिवर्सलिज्म है. Even you go to some Native American tribe, they'll have an idea of God, they'll have an idea of, whatever their idea is. Chinese claiming Confucian universalism. Confucian is their old thinker, Confucius, their classical thinker. So they have this term Confucian universalism, meaning कि जो ये हमारी संस्कृति की universalism idea है, ये सारी world को apply कर सकती है. And based on that, they've come up with Confucian modernity, Confucian human rights, ऐसे उन्होंने निकाले ideas. And Islam claims that it has universal truth. It has truth about society, about politics, about God, everything. They have universal truth. So there are three competing universalisms. एक तो Western universalism है, एक Chinese universalism है, एक Islamic universalism है. The question I started asking is there also an Indian claim? Does India have a seat at the table? Does India have a seat at the table? Those three guys have a seat at the table. आपस में लड़ी जाएंगे. Each will say, I am more universal, better, whatever than you. But they have a seat at the table. They are able to negotiate. Who is representing us? कौन represent कर रहा है? Certainly our government is not. They don't think they are going more and more into Western universalism themselves. Certainly our media and many intellectuals and universities and all that, they are all going into Western universalism. And at the masses, we are getting sucked and into Islamic universalism. There's a lot of this fashion for Sufism and fashion for Islamic culture in a very soft and popular way. Bollywood has played a role in popularizing that. So, abhi Chinese universalism has not arrived in India, and Chinese universalism, they have not started exporting to other countries in a big way, but they are starting. The Chinese government has started 100 Confucian institutes. 100 Confucian institutes they have started all over the world to spread Confucian universalism in different parts of the world. Indian government has not given them permission so far, but they're looking for a place to start. Africa में, Middle East में, बाकी countries में उन्होंने Confucian Institute शुरू कर दिए to teach their ideology, philosophical ideology.